Hello, kids. Today we will practice compound words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. What are compound words? When you combine two different words together, you get a new word. For example, she is running super fast. Super and hero. Superhero. Let's find out more such compound words together. Let's get started. Lap, top, laptop. Again. Lap, top, laptop. Your turn. Very good. Super hero. Superhero. Again. Super hero. Superhero. Your turn. Very good. Sun, glasses. Sunglasses. Again. Sun, glasses. Sunglasses. Your turn. Very good. Head, light. Headlight. Again. Head, light. Headlight. Your turn. Very good. Bird, day. Birthday. Again. Birth, day. Birthday. Your turn. Very good. Camp, fire. Campfire. Again. Camp, fire. Campfire. Your turn. Very good. Text, book. Textbook. Again. Text, book. Textbook. Your turn. Very good. Play, ground. Playground. Again. Play, ground. Playground. Your turn. Very good. Water, melon. Watermelon. Again. Water, melon. Watermelon. Your turn. Very good. Dough, nut, doughnut. Again. Dough, nut, doughnut. Your turn. Very good. Your reading is improving and you're doing very good. Find out more compound words around you and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe. Bye-bye.